Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo, and for today, we will unbox this Baseus light lamp, yung sinasabit sa taas ng monitor natin. Kasi every time na nag-work tayo, kapag hindi naka-on yung lamp both side, hindi natin makikita yung tinatype natin sa keyboard natin. So, malaking tulong tong light na to na ina-attach sa taas ng monitor for us to see kung ano yung tinatype natin or sinusulat natin sa ating work desk. So without further ado, let's unbox this Baseus light lamp. Okay, so this is the light lamp. So as you can see, ito yung pangalan talaga niya, Screen Hanging Light Fighting Pro USB Asymmetrical Light Source from Baseus. Ito yung itsura ng box niya. Buksan natin. This is the inside of the box. So as you can see, una nating makikita ay itong warranty card. So meron pa silang sticker. Yes, this is a sticker, guys. So may free sticker kayo. So ito yung warranty card. Nice, well packed. Ang ganda nung packaging Ang ganda nung touch of black and premium feel with this warranty card. So next is this cable. So nasa gilid yung cable niya. Let's see kung anong itsura ng cable niya. So ito itsura ng cable niya. Ayan. USB-C to USB-B. Ayan. So after that, makikita na natin ang ating lamp, which is this one. So, ito yung hanging mechanism niya. So, ito yung ipang-attach nyo dun sa monitor. Pag ganito. Ayan. So, ihahang natin siya sa monitor. Tapos, ito yung on and off niya. Okay? Tapos, ito yung adjustment ng ilaw. So, very straightforward. And let's see kung ano itsura niya sa ating monitor. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps. And if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. And also, if you want to support this channel and me creating more videos in the future, we do have our Buy Me a Coffee site linked in our description box below.